So we purchased this, and now when we turn the, look, it doesn't even stay in. So it just kind of defeats the purpose. But we were hoping to, I mean, this is the only way, but when I start the water, it falls off. I don't know why they would send the holder to be too small. Maybe they ran out. Maybe they'll send me a better one. I hope so, because this is defective. So, you know, I know with all things you have to be careful what you buy, because you don't always know what you're getting inside the package when you can't personally pick it out yourself. So, I'll see if I can request a replacement of just this piece. I'm not sure, but I've already hung up the shower head, so it'll kind of be crazy to have to unstick all this just to send it back.
So I just got my replacement and I hooked it all up. Everything was in like perfect condition, but for some reason, it would not spray out the shower head. It would only spray out the end of this hose. Like it exploded when you'd use it. So anyway, we got the new one hooked up, right? Ready? Do you see this? I am now returning both of them, and I will not be repurchasing this item. I am actually kind of disappointed because the water pressure was really good. Like, it was amazing good. But it's crappy. You guys just need to improve on the quality of the line itself, because it sucks that it literally just falls apart.
Okay, I'm so OCD. I just changed out another one of these shower heads. I like this one better. The rain one. So cool. How I spend my Saturday.
It looks so good. It's definitely working. And I love this thing right here, so I can just clean the tub and whatnot. But yeah, it looks so good. And I would definitely recommend buying this one. It works for me. Hope it works for you guys too.